WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
If you have spent any time outside today, you know it is cold. I'm meteorologist Caitlin McGrath, and these are the chilliest temperatures we have seen since last April. Today, temperatures are going to stay in the mid to low 40s for our high temperatures. That's closer to where our low temperatures should be for this time in November, and it is windy. We have wind cranking out of the west-northwest today, gusting between about 25 and 30 miles per hour, and that's making it feel anywhere from about 5 to 10 degrees colder than it actually is at any given point throughout the day. Now, at least we have nice sunshine to enjoy here for the next several hours. But once the sun goes down, it is going to get cold fast. We are already back in the 30s by about 8 o'clock this evening and going to feel like the 20s in a few areas later on tonight. So as we head throughout the afternoon, wind continues to gust occasionally 25 to even 35 miles per hour. This is right around 9 o'clock tonight. Wind does briefly diminish overnight, but then by Wednesday morning, we're still tracking winds gusting between about 25 and 35 miles per hour. The biggest difference is that come Wednesday, that wind is coming in from the south and west, and that is a much warmer wind for us. So this really is kind of a one-day wonder of these really cold temperatures, because by tomorrow we do start to warm right back up. It will still be blustery throughout the day, but when the wind's coming in from the southwest, that's really not a chilly wind for us, so it won't feel much colder than it actually is. And by tomorrow afternoon, temperatures are back near 60. Still a little below average, but closer to what we expect for this time in November. So it is going to be cold to start the day, though. Don't get me wrong, you're still going to want that heavier jacket come Wednesday morning, but temperatures do quickly climb under sun-filled skies back into the upper 40s by late morning, low 50s by lunchtime, and ultimately into the mid to upper 50s throughout Wednesday afternoon. And we generally hover right around the upper 50s and low 60s, which again is very close to average as we head through the remainder of the week and into the start of the weekend. But Sunday looking like a nice day for outdoor plans. Not going to be the brightest day by any means, but temperatures look to make it back in the mid 60s and stay in the low 60s as we head into the start of next week before getting a little bit cooler toward the second half of the week. But no days that are anywhere near as cold as what we're dealing with right now. So as we look ahead to the weekend, we do have nice sunshine on Saturday, a few afternoon clouds, a pretty typical November Saturday. Sunday, above average, more clouds around, and possibly the chance for a stray sprinkle, though it looks very, very low risk right now. But we'll talk you through futurecast here. We start off with nice sunshine Saturday morning. Throughout the afternoon and evening, clouds do look to increase. Not going to be the nicest afternoon, but still nice and dry for Saturday. And then come Sunday morning, a few showers are just kind of nearby. There's no storm system, no cold front that's going to move through, but just a few showers or sprinkles that may impact your Sunday plans. If we see any rain, it would be very light, very scattered. Wouldn't cancel or change a thing right now. This is just your early heads up that maybe on on Sunday, we do see a stray shower or two. And that does it for our rain chances. And even that is not a lock, just a possible chance for showers. Otherwise, lots of dry conditions here over the next week, plus really no major storm systems on the horizon as it stands right now. So if you're getting out and about today, we know a lot of folks are celebrating Veterans Day. Just make sure you bundle up. It is really windy, it is really cold, but the rest of the 7-day forecast is looking pretty nice. Temperatures a little below average over the next couple of days, but then we're back in the 60s in no time as we look ahead to Sunday into early next week.